Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the auto brightness on your iPhone, and this is easy to do. So in the top right corner we can scroll on down and we can see the brightness slider right here, but there's no option for auto brightness under here. So what we want to do is go to settings, then locate accessibilities, so I can see it right here. Then under here let's go to display and text size. Scroll on down under this screen till we get to auto brightness, and I think this is on by default. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance, so just turn on or off right here. Usually when I turn it on, my screen gets a little dimmer. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.